So here we are, all smiles. Let me see you. Let me see your pretty little faces. Okay. But let me show you about what happened about an hour ago. Right, guys? Hang on. Barbie, did you tear up Mommy's garbage? Was it you? Would you do that to Mommy? No. Did you tear up Mommy's garbage? No, I don't believe it. No, not you? Not you? Oh. Macy? Were you in on it too? Did you tear up Mommy's garbage? I left for just a few minutes. Uh-huh. Let's go take a look at it. So somebody got into Mommy's garbage while she was gone for just a few minutes. And this is what I came home and saw. Macy, did you get in Mommy's garbage? Look at me in the face. Would you do that to me? Did you take the garbage and tear it up? Huh? Come on, look at me and tell me. No? Let's check with your brother Darby. Did Darby do it? Huh. Darby, did you tear up Mommy's garbage? Did you? Look at Mommy. Did you tear up Mommy's garbage? Why won't you look at me? Why won't you look at me? Darby. Darby. Oh, Darby. Okay, I'll go clean it up.